I'm inspective. I'm some gummies gone too. Yeah.
The shit in the heart and I mean. I don't the shit of how to see. I don't know how to
I don't need to really get to see. I didn't need the better to see. I didn't need the film with very good defenders. What I mean, I don't get shoe. I get a binning get a gun go shoot. I don't need to be the big shot. I don't mean, what I get to go to me because I'm going to get the big. I don't need coming what I get to go to money going to go to one get to get a big school. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you're going to go to that. Boom, 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 boom. Don't get a good. Do. But again, it go. I don't get to be. Yeah. Then get to put it with a bomb, but you get a minute, but you get a yeah. Many do anybody, but you get a good ticket. Yeah. I get a bit because you come over the good money. Pumagazulu, Z, Gilcotino Zulu, Ilan Maria Zulu, Z, Gobacuruma Zulu, Z, Gashawa Bela Zulu, B, Gashawa Bela Zulu, Zap, Ukulum Beruna Zulu. But I get rid of the good mingi. I don't need to believe the very good bay. I don't get a good beginning of many guys when I'm pretty get a good tea. I don't be the way, Jinju. I don't need to get a good go. I don't get a bit to go. I don't get sings in Jinji. I'm you Season jokes will knock out, sing shine, season 3. What the season 2? No, give me sticky. Yeah, you know what's such one general, but as she said, I'm a song is chabuli, near relax, we are friendly. We have. If I'm talking English, you will don't understand. Because I have a certificate for talking English. I have a certificate for talking English. You will don't understand what English I'm talking because it's just an English that's far away from here. English that doesn't know. English that doesn't have a knowledge. Okay, Buffetto. It is episode 3, season 2. We are back with another energy. So Buffetto ninga statikangani because imina ugosti kazi with a ghosty. We are bringing some fire and fire and fire and fire. Siyabangongisa siyabashisa laba khona abantu esibazubaget kodwa khona siyabashisa. Okay Buffetto azile ngalokho namhlanje simphethela season 2 episode 3. Sibonile ukuthi uzosiphathelani, sibone nama reaction uzobanjani, wasazi nathi as-found out. Yeah, ningasabi nje. Yeah, everything we create, it have a vibe and action. We come with something that will teach you something. Okay, so come on, let us ezonifundisa yabo, ezonazisa ulwazi lokuthi Agent B Abandas. Fatima, kimukara kila lako forever was late. But the skeleton and cancel it over Chris Brown. Yeah, Chris Brown. That is such a lie. It's not Chris Brown is not around. Is Chris Brown me sing? No. No Chris Brown me sing. No Chris Brown is me sing. You remember the song that say
I will never stop it.
I don't know why he got lazy right now.
He was releasing for me. He was taking it out.
No, he was releasing for me.
How?
No, Chris Brown, you seeing me is me.
Because
Me is seeing me is seeing you, not you seeing.
I'm proving the point.
No,
that
you are not
Chris Brown
proving
is my
the point.
father.
Chris Brown is my.
Yeah, let's carry on because it.
But then here's one and here's one.
Yeah! Yeah! Stop!
The banana out.
That's
What's
all.
that strong?
Strong.
Independent and beautiful.
Kasatu young go to my cover. But here is the secret. Wow, come on, weakness here. I want to post it there.
Nana, what is your weakness?
My weakness is. My weakness is. H and B.
H&R.
And us.
I have a what?
I have a voice.
I have a what?
Let's move on.
Okay.
Let's move on.
So literally weakness episode. Weakness episode. Squats up. Let's up the squats up. Who's about me?
Don't do some more.
No, it's about you. That's not it.
That's why
I have fun in Bungun. I have fun in Bungun. I have fun in Bungun. Continue cutting the Bungun.
I'm cutting a shade, man.
Mbappe always Mbappe in the head, Mbappe in the heart, Mbappe in
Yeah, but someone you should say in in a sense.
I will.
Okay, oh, I'm trying.
Not you.
Sometimes.
I will sometimes when I always money that I want.
A character my class is something I could.
But let's get it him. Yabona serious con ila umlethela khona imbali ezino 10 rand baningi. Labo 10 rand wawuthenga nena ngini.
But
Over Twitter today wena. Chomi ke change.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi character but ichaza something. Personal ninja.
Ichazani?
Yebo ngokuthi personal mina nginamanga.
Unamanga wena kade uthini? Ukhuluma uthi mntana. Wena kade unangami ngo2014.
Angazi.
Smooth on dog. Smooth on ntwana.
Okay, ngoba ngichaza ukuthi into esikhuluma ine sense, i-character ne-character ihamba with something, hamba with a vision ukuthi okay, lento eqhamuka kulomfana ngiyayibona ikuyenzeke. Leqhamuka kulomfana ikuyenzeke ngazi. But i-character engidlalayo mina aningichazele why nini ukuthi i-character kanjani.
Cela ukuchaza mina. I-character odlala skeleton ukuthi umfana unamanga. Lamanga strong and wenza lento le. Yini uba wenza lento leyo unje bona.
Okay. Character ke
Character yami kube intombazane honest. Intombazane
yiphi intombazane enenhle emhlabeni?
imini. How?
Okay, nana ukhuluma honest.
Imina.
Ukhuluma.
Ngimumbi?
Phela ukhuluma ngezo nje.
Lani?
Okay, nana bethu. Awome ngibona bethu. Hayi.
Ngoba ngisagondile ngabe uyashuthi ubukana mentu man ngisagondile.
Njalo bese ngibona. Ngibona umjida mina bethu.
Am I a man? No, I'm not.
No.
You fini.
Ngasaba ukutshela umakhelwane ukuthi okay, yasaba ukutshela umakhelwane
Umakhelwane.
Okay, ngasaba ngiyalinganisha.
Wewe makhelwane wami.
Okay, no, just
umbi.
Just make an example. Uthi ungamtshela
Talkie. Isizulu.
Okay, when ungamtshela umakhelwane.
Makeba.
Can you please give me a chance?
Okay, chance.
Okay.
Makeba. Makeba. Can you please give me a chance Zulu?
Okay, don't need to. When ungamtshela umakhelwane wakho ukuthi ingane zakhe zimbi.
Ngamtshela mase zimphela zimbi. Nawe ingane ngatshela ukuthi angimbi baba.
Yabo oqala lokho ukuthi Oqala uthi inhlonipho unayo. Ungashizo nojeni into omdala uthi
Ingane yona isuke ingayibona uthimbi.
wena uyabona uthi umuntu.
Ngimuhle mina.
Cha, angithi nawe uyibona umuhle.
Ngimuhle mina.
Yeah, mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi bethu abantu nabayakusaba ukutshela ukuthi umumbi.
Abantu they always compliment me. They always say I'm beautiful, so I'm beautiful.
Guys,
what do you always say with that?
As in, siqhubeke nevideo waba nje sisovela sikhuluma isingisi uyazi ngosikhulisa isam siqhuma kwi-dictionary.
Move on. Move on.
Agent R.
Agent B.
Abandazi. Asibabona.
Manje ulalamele ulini. Izinto ezazenziwa ngama-80s nangama-70s ayisenziwa manje. Isikhathi sishintshile. You do not assume there's someone wants you. And you do not think there's someone wants you. Just because you think that she wants you, it doesn't really mean that she wants you. So please, my aunt, ban a show. Before comes mom, you ban a woman. Do not put us.
I won't intend to show Susan. Simon. Yeah. About it now, about scheming.
Everyone was scheming with you.
With
everyone,
us
yes,
now.
yes.
Shoot
English, please. English, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Everyone was going with us, but
was scheming. Clicking. Yes, it's clicking.
Was clicking with us,
yes.
Because they saw that if after that they move on to
in English we don't fagger but kodwa.
But what we are doing
because
now.
But kodwa is the same. In English we don't fagger that. We don't fagger that. We fagger but only because if fagger and kodwa is one thing.
Okay. Shorty, okay.
We don't put for shorty because it's English. We mageba, we English. So you are putting mageba in English in both, and this doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. English and mageba is Ingisi and is Zulu.
Okay. That's all. Oh, I want to say that
is English, not mina ngifuna ukuthini. What is that?
You were disturbing me to a way that to unrealize Timon
what
and
is
Rambo.
unrealize Timon and Rambo?
Timon and Rambo, they were such a friend with us, but as morning.
That in a space where you can be accused, because an accusation can destroy your life.
But understand.
Remember, you are guilty until proven innocent. So when I'm out,
But you show the understand.
Hello, aku yang sama kena baca. Ayo kena makui.
Makumeta makunya pele.
Sabara april. Sama kunya tu. Sama kunya tu lah. Sama makuinya makumet.
Kanti they were friends.
Yeah.
Kanti they know each other.
Yeah.
Why they didn't know them? This girl.
Mshai know me.
Pela wena you were lie. That's chicks and girlfriends both each other.
Mshai no Galagat.
Mshai know all.
Mshai didn't know. Dando and Bo know us.
Mshai know everyone. Everyone knows you.
Okay.
Why you say? Why you say?
Okay, I'm saying that, but it's where Makumed, I was going to somewhere. You want us to make a debate?
Makubende is so gunyari.
You know that
Makumede is so gunyari.
You know that I have a certificate of debate. We can make a debate.
You have a certificate with English. You have a certificate with debate. You have a certificate with what? Lie.
With life. I succeed
Agent
in life.
R.
Agent B.
Aspacombis. Ayabandas.
Nama
Ungansonsi.
That's all I'm saying.
Ulwa?
Shameless.
Shameless.
That's what opinion
Daniel as a post lady is so poo-pooing. Is so poo-pooing. No. Mm-mm.
What is poop?
The poo is the chick that is ngane, that is born today. So is ngane. So Daniel is you know, is wet. Is wet.
What is that chick, bitch?
The chick is the kwane. The kwane is the kwane that is puma in the
Okay,
poo.
you remember that you said that we must not talk Makeba. We need to talk English.
Kapela mina, I'm talking English. I'm not talking Zulu.
You say Makwane.
Kwane pela, you asked me. That's what is chick. The chick is the kwane. That's the kwane. This is born today. So that the chick is wet hair.
That's it.
Yes, wet hair. The hair.
What,
this.
Why?
But Donna is 1, 2, 3 is baliwe. It's like baliwe.
Oh,
Yes. It is pepezela. Ah! It's doing to me. It's doing to me.
Hey.
Oh my God! Is you talking to me?
What's your poop? It is a mama comment.
I don't know. Is the gunya eating too much? So that is
As
going.
my comment, they made it. CSM combos. What's your poop?
Ufuna speeches manje. Speeches before all speeches come. When I pictures all season, mina pictures
Oh, yeah, I love it. Pictures.
Ha! Hayi, bangipictures shame. Makumete hle la.
Okay. Imali.
La, mkokodleni.
Nobody wait ama comment and mention that. We wait.
But Makumete is 100k followers.
Okay. Yasizwe is $459 K. Cabanga isibalo. Shuthi uma kumele times u5 usizwe uze phuma usizwe. Awucabange extra even
Phela sizwe is extra.
even ishinto ngeke ngikhalise but
sizwe is like Ndlovu.
no
Is Ndlovu.
Ncane Ndlovu no sizwe.
No, Ndlovu is like sizwe.
Ncane Indlovu.
Yabo sizwe can believe this roof.
Usizwe akafanele even no extra large.
Sizwe must not eat.
Extra medium, small and so.
Sizwe must not eat. Sizwe is eat too much. Is eat too much. No.
Avo bazisa abadla kakhulu but uqeda 6 slices so.
Wena. Oh. Ayibo. Is boss is zoti. Ngisile. Ngiyakuvela mina. Bahleka kubhuti.
Hayi, yabona ukuthi ayisufiki.
Yeah, sengifikile. Ithos.
Yabona impela.
Ngithatha.
Sengifikile.
Hey, na.
Hayi, ngiyabonga ukuthi ufike.
Awungahamba skeleton.
Hayi.
Boss lady. Bahamba.
No, Abafana. Lemon.
Well, finally.
That was the end of episode 3, season 2. Okay, bafethu sibonile ukuthi amaphupha post lady no Sizwe noma Gomede eating Gwenyazi and me is talking to skeleton. Sofikile. It was hectic. Hi. Beku.
Yeah. Tolo ukuthi nje ngithi summer mase ngiqeda.
Summer.
Rising. Yeah.
Summarizing.
Okay, ngi-summarize igama ngokulisummarize.
Summarizing. So the summer is rising.
Angithi yabo khona igama ekuthiwa i-summarizing.
Yes.
Usuke usummarize into. Kodwa mina
Cha, usuku isama. Isuku irise, hayi ukuthi usuku summarize.
Ngiyakubonisa khona igama lesi-summarizing.
Usummarizing phela isama erizayo, isama yokushisa kwelanga.
No, that's why. Phela khona ama-summarizing kwi-dictionary yami. E-onwa yimina, enga-onwa nje uhulumeni. Engekho under i-private. Khona i-summarizing, le-summarizing. Mese ngisachaza ne-dictionary yami. Mese kuba khona i-summarizing lento ukuthi khona igama ekuthiwa i-summarizing. El-summarize indaba, but mina ngalelo gama ngi-summarize igama elithi-summarizing. You understand?
You are summarizing the word summarizing.
Okay, asibia nje ngiyayibhala summarizing.
Summarizing. Balo summarize.
Balo
summarize
okay,
ngisanje.
Summarizing. Okay.
What SU pen?
Iphela spelling wethu summarizing. Okay.
What SU? Mina I want to you to spell to the end.
Spell summarizing. No, spell what? SUMMARY. Oh shit, Papa yini siyabonga. We love you all too much.
Summarizing was summarizing everything was summarize. Summarizing is SUMMIRING. Summarizing. Khona lokho. Love you.
Miss you. Sonibona episode 4 season 2.
Miss you.
Qhubeka ne-reaction yethu, but soze sinibone next time.
Please subscribe
and share the link and
like and comment.
Love you.